This is the shipping page. The idea here is simple. It's one queue worked top to bottom. What's late, what needs a label, and what's ready to hand off. Let me walk you through it. Up at the top, this bar shows your sync status and the channel SellSeva is watching. Here, that's Outlook and the Chrome extension. When you want to pull in the latest, you hit Sync Now, and it shows you when it last synced. Right under the title, you get 5 quick counts. Starting from the left, all orders. That's everything awaiting ship. Then, ship by risk. Anything overdue or due today. Needs label. The one still open on the marketplace. Ready to print, where tracking is already there. And buyer messages, the ones you'll want to reply to before shipping. Just above the list, SellSeva surfaces a couple of things. This first one is a combine opportunity. When one buyer has bought more than one item, it flags them here so you can group them before you hand off. You can reply to the buyer or select them to combine. And this one is a handoff reminder. Orders that already have a label ready or printed but are still sitting in awaiting ship. You can jump straight to reviewing those. Then the queue itself, awaiting ship. It's sorted by ship by deadline, most overdue first, so the most urgent orders are always at the top. Let's look at a single order, left to right. On the far left, there's a checkbox to select it. Next to that, the buyer's initials, then the item, its order number, the marketplace, the buyer, and where it's going. Below that, when it's sold and the platform. In the middle, you've got the status. The first tag is the ship by clock. Overdue, due today, or on track with the time left. The second tag is where it is in the flow. Needs label, ready to print, or awaiting handoff. And this little trail underneath is the heart of the page. Label, print, handoff, sync. Every order moves through those 4 stages, and the bar fills in as it goes, so you can see at a glance exactly how far along it is. Over on the right is the order's value, the ship by time again, and the action button for whatever it needs next. There's a 3-dot menu for more options and open order to jump into the full order. What the button says depends on the stage. If it still needs a label, you'll see Get Label. That takes you to the label waiting on the marketplace. If it's ready to print, it's Print Label. Print it if you need to. And once a label's been printed, it switches to Confirm Handoff. After you've handed the package to the carrier, you confirm it here, or mark it Handed Off. And that's what lets SellSeva update the marketplace with the tracking. When a buyer has left a note on an order, it shows right here under the order, so you've got their request in front of you before you ship, and you can reply without leaving the page. On each order, you'll also see its tracking state, whether tracking's already attached, was uploaded manually, or there's nothing to sync yet. As orders move forward and you confirm handoffs, SellSeva keeps the marketplace updated for you. And that's the whole model, in one line at the bottom. Orders come in from your email polling and the Chrome extension across all your marketplaces. The labels stay in the marketplace. What SellSeva does is track your deadlines, your tracking, your handoffs, and flag any late shipment exceptions. So that's shipping. One prioritized queue, top to bottom. You see what's most urgent first, handle the label, hand it off, confirm it, and SellSeva keeps everything in sync. That's it.